Hi, down to your last $500. Here is what I recommend that you should do to change that. Invest in me incorporation. Invest in me. Mind blown, right? Emoji. Yes, I'm Cheryl, helping you to learn how to easily navigate menopausal symptoms and reduce fat naturally. So you heard me. If I was down to my last $500, I would invest in me. I would start my own business. Yes, you heard me. Start your own business. Invest in you. You have gifts and talents that are irrevocable. God has blessed you with gifts. He's blessed you with talents and He's not taking them back. So why not invest in you? Why not start your own business? That's the way we should do it. So let's dive in. There are over 10 million business opportunities. Do you know that? It has been researched and recorded. Over 10 million business opportunities. So there's no need for us or you to limit yourself. Use your gifts and talents so you don't have to hold tight to money. When you hold tight to money, it's like you're strangling it. Like I read this morning, my hands, your hands are blessed. So when our hands are blessed, why are we so fearful of investing in ourselves? Invest in your mind. It takes care of your words. Your words takes care of your future. You hear that? Invest in your mind. You're your biggest investment. You're your biggest asset. Yes. So invest in your mind, which would change your words, change your future. My business is blessed. My hands are blessed. That's what you should be prophesying and confessing over yourself. So don't be afraid when you're thinking, oh, it's my last. No, it's not. We are surrounded by abundance. And that's what I read this morning. And it reminded me that I always have more money to invest in myself, invest in my mind, invest in my education, invest in my skills. We have skills and we have gifts, but sometimes we need to sharpen it. So we surround ourselves with mentors and coaches who can help us sharpen our skills. So, excited? Like, share, and subscribe. Like, drop a heart, drop a comment. I know some people are struggling with, oh my gosh, it's my last. But don't think like that. It's a seed. That's it. It's a seed that you can invest. So, it does not take a lot of money to make money. All you need is the determination to make a decision to go all in, like Grant Cardone said. Go all in. A desire? No. You can have a desire today, a desire tomorrow. It takes a decision. It takes a decision, beautiful people. So decide. I'm investing in me and I'm starting that business today. If you are bold enough to make a decision concerning your finances, you will have ideas and release inner abilities to help you achieve it. I love that. Do not allow your circumstances to control you. Decide to master your circumstances. There are two types of people. The excuse makers. They'll always see an issue of why I can't start a business. I don't have enough funds to start a business. Or those who says, I have an idea, or how can I? When you say how can I, opportunities show up. Ideas start to show up. You're sleeping and you wake up and you start writing. How can I is different from I don't have. So everybody started from zero. Most people you see with substantial wealth started at zero. Some people are professional excuse makers. That's it. They will even find an excuse not to be financially abundant. They will say things like, I have no capital. What they are busy giving excuses, while they're busy giving excuses, others are asking, how can I? So I want you today, sit down and ask yourself, how can I start this business? How can I be not in the same place next week, next month, next year, because I've invested in myself. Talk to you soon. Again, like, share, comment, and subscribe.